Hello, and welcome to Mrs. Menchaca's Monday Minute. I am super excited to share some AI tools that I have been learning about and wanted to share a few of them with you. So, to slow things down, I want to just take one small part and talk about it each week. The first one I want to talk about is Adobe Express. It is free for education, and I've always been a Canva girl. I love Canva. It's been I call it my anchor platform. Um, but I was just recently exposed to all the cool things in Adobe Express for education. This is one of those examples right here. This is one of the tools that they already have, one of the templates that they have that is available. And this one's for you to give to your students. It says explain like I'm 5, and you can use this for any concept actually, but this one is geared towards a science concept where they would put what their name is. And it's set up for them to easily be able to navigate down here at the bottom. But what's really cool about Adobe Express that's different than Canva is some of the tools that they have. So over on here you see it has the little characters which can be changed. But what's awesome about this, and the thing that got me really excited about it, they do have a generative AI section on here that the students can give a prompt to create a picture that goes with what they're trying to explain. But if you go to media and to audio, I clicked on see all for audio, has this thing that says animate characters. And the students can pick a character that matches them, or what topic they're talking about, or whatever. They can find a character that goes with them. They have different categories of them. I'm going to just go with an animal because I think they're cute. And let's say we're talking about oceans, okay, instead of for our science concept. So I have a little shark here. And once I have the shark, I can pick a topic about oceans and I can record it. It lets me use my internal microphone. I'm just going to say this time. And because I don't want to make myself look like I don't know what I'm talking about with ocean concepts at this moment, I'm going to just explain this process using the shark. So then I say done, and it's going to take it a minute to animate that. Okay, so now that the video has been complete, it automatically put it on this slide. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this little guy over here and move my shark where I want it to be. And let's see. Of course, I would change the background, which is pretty easy, just like in Canva. It has places to come in and find different images to put in the background. But let's see what my shark looks like. And because I don't want to make myself look like I don't know what I'm talking about with ocean concepts at this moment, I'm going to just explain this process using the shark. So there you have it. It's that easy, and students can do it. There is a little toggle button that they can put on that tunes out sounds around them. So it doesn't have to be absolutely quiet in the classroom for them to be able to do this. So explain like I'm 5. My concept is oceans, since I just decided that. And then they would go on and they can continue with the shark, or they could put a different ocean animal in here, and they would explain the idea using simple language, like it says, that a 5-year-old would understand, and then come over and break it down into first, then finally. It's strengthening the ELA skills while they are working on their science concepts, which also presentations are a big part of ELA. So this kind of tool is great to help them in all areas. And then this is just saying, why is this super cool? So the students would explain why they think that the concept is cool to a 5-year-old, and changing all the images to match what what it is that they're talking about. And I like that this gives them the suggestion to use the generative image function, which is again over here, generative AI, to visualize the concept in a fun way. So if they're talking about oceans, they could have it create their favorite parts about the ocean or something like that, and try to come up with an image like this with the chef's hat on top of a plant. So again, this is my Monday morning tip for you, and I hope that this is something that you start to look into and that you enjoy it. Thank you.